course you have. Men of Harlech. It's easier for me to just read it to you. The Harlech Castle, built in 1285, still stands in Wales about half a mile from the sea. The castle was used as a fortress by the Lancasterians until famine made them surrender during the siege of Edward IV. This rolling song of lightning, men said to David from the battle. So this is all about the battle of this area, the men of Harlech.
Men of Harlech in the hollow, do you hear like rushing billow? Wave on wave that surges